Hey guys, and welcome back. So in today's video I'm going to be unboxing and reviewing this Honeywell 2800 CFM Portable Evaporative Cooler and Fan. Alright, so here is the Honeywell Portable Swamp Cooler. You have the main control pad at the top. You've got your cool, your speed, and your swing. You just turn it right to your on. You've got your 0 to 1, your swing on to off. This little compartment up here is where you'll put your ice to make sure that the water will go cold so it can blow in nice and cool water. It is UV resistant material with a GFCI cord for safe outdoor operation, energy efficient, premium copper motor, outlast standing air conditions and fans. Here is the cooling pads. So it beats the summer heat with keep the times rolling with it nice and cool. You can stay cool all day long. Built to large spaces for minimal effort. The loading ice tray compartment with a continuous watery hose connection and triple side Honeywell honeycomb cooling pads. So this is what the cooling pads look like. You have little screws right here to remove them and replace them. This is a heavy duty. It's built to last. It does have about 12 gallons or 20 gallons for a water reservoir. So unlike the other ones where they have the plastic fans, this one is metal. This is retractable. You can move it up and down. It does have the swing effect. So when you have it to swing, these right here on the inside will swing. You can see the blades. These are really nice conditioned blades. Here is the water level. It does take a lot to fill it up. Like I said, this is about a 20 gallon. So it holds up to 20 gallons. The item weight itself is 44.8 pounds. This is the item number CO810PM. The dimensions of this is 18.4 by 27.7 by 46.2 inches. So this is what it looks like. It is really tall. It has a nice reservoir for long lasting so you don't have to keep filling it. The top compartment is where you'll put your ice. So right here you have the owner's manual, and you do have an adapter so you can connect this to a hose directly. You have to go ahead and open this up. This is suggested to use it outside on your patio, your backyard, anywhere you'll spend your time. This is the adapter for the hose. So the user manual basically just tells you how to use it, the functions, how to clean it, how to replace the pads, how to connect the hose. This is not a mist fan. It is cool like a breeze. Evaporative air coolers reduces temperature through water evaporation. Moist, cool breeze can cool down without spraying the floor and furniture of water. So this is just some extra information. Again, this is super energy efficient, premium copper motor, outlasts standard other air conditioning units. It is heat safe, internal housing for added safety of peace of mind. So here's some technical specs. Here's some more reading pamphlets about the device, where to put it, where not to put it. If you do have this in a house, you have to make sure it is fully ventilated or it'll be very humid. It does come with some feet pads at the bottom of it, and it also comes with the wheels, but they do give you the options. If you don't want to use the wheels, you can use these little shoes right here. You just screw this on to the bottom of the device itself. That ensures that it doesn't move like it does with the wheels. So these little feet, it's got the screws in here. You just screw it on at the bottom of the cooler and it'll stay in one place. But if you do like the wheels to move around, you have that option as well. If you're looking for a nice, really cool swamp cooler, I would say check this one out. This one is a massive cooler that does cool out your area.